Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore 16 water-rich foods that help you stay hydrated and boost your health. First up, we have watermelon. With 92% water content, watermelon is perfect for hydration and provides vitamins A and C. Next is cucumber. Cucumbers are made up of 95% water, which not only helps with hydration, but also provides vitamins C and K, giving a refreshing boost to your body. Lettuce is another great choice with 96% water content, low in calories, making it ideal for salads. Strawberries contain 91% water, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, making them a delicious and healthy snack. Celery, with 95% water, provides hydration along with fiber and vitamins A, C, and K, which is excellent for digestion and overall health. Bell peppers have 92% water content, rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, helping to keep your body healthy and strong. Tomatoes contain 94% water, rich in vitamins C, K, and lycopene, which are beneficial for your skin and health. Broccoli contains 89% water, offering vitamins C, K, fiber, and potassium, which are great for overall health and keeping your body youthful. Oranges, with 86% water, are high in vitamin C and fiber, boosting your immune system and providing energy. Radishes, with 95% water content, are rich in vitamin C and fiber, helping to cleanse your body and improve digestion. Cabbage contains 92% water, providing hydration, fiber, vitamin C and K, and antioxidants, which are great for overall health. Pineapple contains 86% water, is a good source of vitamin C, B6, and manganese, helping to improve digestion and boost immunity. Apples contain 86% water, providing hydration, fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, making them a perfect snack for any time. Cauliflower has 92% water content, providing fiber, vitamin C and K, and antioxidants, helping to improve digestion and boost health. Cantaloupe contains 90% water, providing hydration and being a great source of vitamins A and C, helping to improve skin health and overall well-being. Finally, grapefruit contains 88% water, providing vitamins A and C, helping with hydration and nutritional needs. While these foods are high in water content and help with hydration, you should still drink water regularly to ensure your body stays well hydrated. Thank you for watching our video on nutrition and fitness. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on more exciting content.